Have you ever seen a spider going up a set of stairs? Look at Germany's biggest demolition excavator. Welcome to Build Tech, your home for incredible heavy-duty machinery, construction, and much more. In this video, we will go over some insane heavy-duty machines doing what they do best. If you want to learn the latest and greatest on this topic, stay with us until the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. This helps create more content like this. The APT 1500RL is a self-propelled welding equipment designed by Klassen for railroad rails. This specialized vehicle incorporates all auxiliary units into the truck, making it a comprehensive solution for rail welding tasks. It is equipped with both road wheels and an adaptable rail undercarriage, allowing it to switch between road and rail modes as needed. The APT 1500RL features a sophisticated mesh butt welding unit. This device passes current to preheat the ends of two rails, enabling them to be joined together. The heat generated by the passing current causes the rail ends to melt and fuse. When the power is turned off, the rail pulling mechanism integrated into the welding unit works automatically to complete the welding process without human intervention. By combining various functions into one self-propelled unit, the APT 1500RL offers efficiency and convenience for welding and maintenance tasks on railroad rails. The KTG KMC 1600S is a powerful demolition excavator designed for heavy-duty tasks. It boasts impressive specifications, making it well-suited for demanding demolition projects. The excavator has a maximum digging depth of 25.4 meters and a maximum working weight of 160 tons. The KMC 1600S features a long boom measuring 11.7 meters and an arm length of 8.3 meters. The cab of the excavator can tilt up to 30 degrees, providing the operator with a better view of the work area and enhancing operational efficiency. One of the notable features of this excavator is its semi-hydraulic boom change mechanism, which allows for easy and quick attachment swapping. This feature improves versatility and productivity during different stages of demolition work. For transportation purposes, the drive units can be detached, and the three lifting cylinders provide a balanced lifting force, optimizing attachment performance and enabling the operation of demolition fronts. The Unicorn Beach Cleaners are specialized machines designed to clean and maintain sandy beaches. These machines operate by spinning volumes of sand and sifting it through a mesh conveyor belt, effectively removing various types of debris from large objects to small residuals. The cleaning process involves exposing the sand to sunlight, which helps oxygenate and dry the sand, further aiding in the removal of contaminants and debris. Additionally, these beach cleaners can release a natural disinfectant to cleanse the sand before the sifting process begins, ensuring a clean and hygienic beach environment. One of the key features of the Unicorn Beach Cleaners is their hydraulic flow controller, which allows operators to regulate the speed and direction of the conveyor belt. This feature provides precise control over the cleaning process, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning of the beach. Maxim Crane, a renowned company based in the United States, has established itself as a leading force in the crane rental and lifting services industry. With a specialization in providing top-notch crane solutions, Maxim offers a diverse fleet of all-terrain cranes, ranging in capacity from 80 to an impressive 1,000 tons. These remarkable all-terrain cranes showcase exceptional versatility, excelling in a wide array of lifting tasks and construction projects. From the installation of small generators on construction sites to the seamless erection of towering crane structures, Maxim's all-terrain cranes can tackle any challenge with precision and efficiency. These highly adaptable cranes are expertly designed to operate flawlessly in off-road conditions, including challenging terrains like marshy or sandy landscapes. Boasting a myriad of features that enhance their capabilities, Maxim's all-terrain cranes come equipped with large tires, all-wheel propulsion systems, reliable outriggers, and strategically positioned counterweights. These features ensure optimal stability and performance during demanding lifting operations. The G&M ZS 600 slipform paver is a highly versatile and efficient machine designed to handle various paving applications, making it suitable for city streets, secondary roads, highways, airports, and more. The S600 is equipped with a double telescopic tractor frame, access walkway, and hose hinge system, offering a working range of 8 or to 22, 2.5, 6.75 m, the widest range in the industry. By using bolt-in tractor frame extensions, the paving width can be extended to 34, 10 m, without a dowel bar inserter, DBI. This versatility allows for quick switching between applications and paving widths. One of the standout features of the S600 slipform paver is its narrow profile, making it the narrowest machine in the market. In standard paving mode, there is less than 2 AU from the edge of the pavement to the widest point on the paver when sensor support arms are removed. Introducing the electric stair climber from MoveX Innovation, a cutting-edge solution revolutionizing the transportation of heavy goods up and down staircases. This state-of-the-art machine is engineered with precision and efficiency in mind, providing a game-changing approach to tackle arduous moving tasks. Equipped with robust rubber wheels that firmly grip each step, the electric stair climber effortlessly conquers staircases with remarkable stability. Its powerful motor offers smooth and controlled lifting, effortlessly handling substantial weights. What's more, the convenience of remote control allows operators to maneuver the stair climber from a distance, enhancing operational efficiency and safety. With a remarkable carrying capacity of up to 1,100 pounds, this innovative machine proves its mettle across diverse terrains, conquering challenges on grass, sand, and even snow. The electric stair climber boasts an accident-preventing braking mechanism, prioritizing safety at every step of the process. Powered by a long-lasting battery, this agile marvel can deliver hours of uninterrupted operation, ensuring productivity and reliability throughout the moving endeavor. Its adaptability doesn't stop there, as it can seamlessly connect to various tools, providing a multifunctional solution for lifting, loading, and hauling tasks. Experience unparalleled ease and speed in moving heavy loads, as the electric stair climber from MoveX Innovation takes the strain out of staircases and challenging terrains. This versatile and practical equipment is a game changer in the moving industry, making it a go-to choice for individuals and businesses seeking a powerful, efficient, and reliable solution for their heavy lifting needs. The RB 705 European Type Paver from XCMG is a high-end machine designed for European and American markets. It features a compact structure, versatile paving capabilities, and a range of technical upgrades, making it a benchmark product in the industry. With a paving width of 2.5 to 7.5 meters, it can handle various road types, including highways and urban routes. The paver's intelligent electric control system offers a new user experience and efficient operation. The hydraulic front apron keeps the material clean and reduces spillage. The single-side hopper can fold for paving in tight spaces. Its automatic tensioning crawler travel device and self-lubricating track chain improve maintainability. Comfort features include a retractable roof, rotary seats, and LED illumination for night work. The RB 705 paver is known for its high quality, ingenuity, and reliability. The all-new Braun TR 450 wheel trencher offers high productivity with its patented cutting tooth system, hydrostatic drivetrain, and hydraulically controlled positioning. It provides high-volume excavation with clean level floors and stable sidewalls. With a digging depth of up to 8 feet and a width of up to 50 inches, the TR 450 delivers unmatched productivity. Its hydrostatic drivetrain ensures smooth variable speed power for efficient output. The trencher's oscillating undercarriage and self-leveling frame provide excellent control and stability on uneven terrain. The TR 450 features a patented cutting tooth system for easy and consistent breakout, with quick and simple removal and replacement of cutting teeth. It also has laser and GPS mounts for drainage applications. The operator station offers ergonomic controls and excellent visibility. K25 Capel transportation project carried out by Koppel, a renowned French company specializing in handling oversized and heavy cargo, was a remarkable feat of engineering and logistics. The challenge was to move massive 140-ton steel girders from the bustling port of Dunkirk to a construction site, and the company chose to employ its cutting-edge modular platform trailer, the Schuler Comet K25, to accomplish this task. Its high carrying capacity, paired with a well-designed low unsprung weight and hydraulic suspension system, ensured optimal load distribution and stability throughout the transportation process. One of the standout features of the K25 trailer is its flexibility. It can be easily configured to accommodate different load types, making it an invaluable asset for transportation companies faced with diverse cargo requirements. Its hydraulic suspension system further contributes to its adaptability, enabling smooth rides even on uneven roads and terrains. Halas, a global leader in lifting solutions, offers a powerful 35-ton overhead crane designed for efficiently handling heavy cargo. With an impressive span of over 33 meters, this crane requires special truck and trailer arrangements for delivery. Colin Crane's House has successfully delivered these cranes to numerous customers in Greece and other countries. The 35-ton overhead crane is equipped with cutting-edge technology, ensuring optimal safety and reliability during operations. Halas provides customization options to meet each customer's unique requirements, including the addition of wheels, remote control functionality, or intelligent features. This high-performance overhead crane stands as a testament to Halas's commitment to delivering top-quality lifting solutions to clients worldwide. The Landpack Impact Compactors are specialized rollers designed to enhance soil compaction by delivering greater impact force compared to traditional road rollers. Despite their appearance as road rollers, their unique construction enables them to generate more compaction power when impacting the ground. Depending on the soil type, these impact compactors can achieve compaction depths ranging from 10 to 16 feet, making them highly effective for rapidly compacting roads and highways. Available in triangular and pentagonal shapes, these compactors are towed and operated exclusively by heavy-duty vehicles or large, powerful tractors. Their ability to provide superior compaction in various soil conditions makes them an ideal choice for projects requiring fast and efficient road and highway compaction. The Soil King Supreme is an advanced stone spreader designed for precise and efficient delivery and placement of aggregates. With a carrying capacity of up to 25 tons, it boasts a 21-foot extendable conveyor belt from the rear bumper, providing high discharge spreading over construction sites. The conveyor is capable of rotating 180 degrees, allowing material placement in any direction. This state-of-the-art stone spreader is perfect for projects requiring accurate positioning of stone, sand, gravel, topsoil, mulch, and other materials. It significantly reduces labor costs, saves time, and enhances job site safety. Its lower center of gravity sets it apart from traditional spreaders, ensuring safer loading, driving, and operation without compromising load capacity or efficiency. With the Soil King Supreme, Construction professionals can achieve precise material placement with ease, improving overall project productivity and performance. The ESP-8 from Cone Cranes is a cutting-edge Generation 6 mobile harbor crane designed for versatile cargo handling. Capable of managing containers, general cargo, project cargo, and bulk cargo, this crane accommodates vessels up to the post-Panamax class, too large for the Panama Canal. Impressively, it boasts a maximum operating radius of 54 meters, a lifting capacity of 150 tons, and a lifting speed of 120 meters per minute. Equipped with an electric drive system and state-of-the-art technology, the ESP-8 prioritizes eco-friendliness, user-friendliness, and durability. With its advanced features and ergonomic design, the ESP-8 sets a new standard for efficient and sustainable mobile harbor cranes in the industry. The BeachTech 5500 is a highly efficient and self-propelled beach cleaner designed by BeachTech to clean vast beaches with remarkable speed and effectiveness. This machine has a loading capacity of 1.5 cubic meters and a working width of 1.6 meters, allowing it to remove all types of debris from large objects to fine particles by penetrating the sand up to 15 centimeters deep. One of the notable features of the BeachTech 5500 is its disinfection mechanism, which can discharge a natural disinfectant before the sifting process begins, ensuring a clean and hygienic beach environment. The three-wheel design and zero-degree turning radius make the BeachTech 5500 ideal for cleaning tight areas and easily navigating around beach equipment. The hydraulic flow controller allows precise adjustment of the conveyor belt speed and direction, as well as the front pickup area, providing precise control over the cleaning process. The Baylink Grout Mixer is a revolutionary solution for the on-site production of high-quality grout and flowable fill in any desired quantity. It utilizes a patented foaming system that injects air into the concrete mix, creating a lightweight and workable material that can be easily pumped into confined spaces. The mixer offers the flexibility to adjust the density and strength of the grout based on specific project requirements. Designed for ease of operation, maintenance, and transportation, the Baylink Grout Mixer has a capacity of 10 cubic yards and can produce up to 60 cubic yards per hour. It seamlessly integrates with any volumetric concrete mixer truck, including the Baylink's Titan series. With this game-changing grout mixer, construction professionals can efficiently produce customized grout and flowable fill on site, improving overall project efficiency and performance. The Barnhart Movable Counterweight is an ingenious rigging system designed to enhance the efficiency and ease of cantilever operations. Consisting of a beam with a counterbalance that can move along it, this system effectively balances the weight during lifting tasks. Versatility is a hallmark of the rigging system, as it features both single and double beam configurations, catering to different lifting requirements. It can handle impressive loads, accommodating masses up to 70,000 pounds at an 85-foot radius and 12,000 pounds at a 33-foot reach. With its single line and single lift point, the Barnhart Movable Counterweight is adept at avoiding obstacles during lifting or transportation, making it an ideal solution for various challenging lifting scenarios. By integrating this innovative rigging system, operations become more streamlined, safe, and efficient, ultimately enhancing the capabilities of cranes and ensuring successful heavy lifting projects. Get ready to be amazed by the Spider Lift Stair Climber, a one-of-a-kind machine that takes accessibility to new heights. This remarkable equipment empowers workers to conquer high-end, hard-to-reach locations with unmatched versatility and adaptability. Equipped with versatile tracks, the Spider Lift Stair Climber conquers varying heights, winding paths, and even staircases and hills, making it a true marvel in the lifting industry. Its robust boom extends to an astonishing height of 30 meters and spans an impressive width of 15.7 meters, allowing it to carry hefty loads of up to 200 kilograms on its platform. Operating this exceptional machine is a breeze, thanks to its convenient remote control features, enabling operators to control it from a distance with precision and ease. With a rotatable platform and movable jib, precise positioning of the platform becomes second nature. Introducing the Vermeer RTX 1250 Rockwheel, a highly adaptable and versatile tractor designed to be the ultimate utility machine. Equipped with a quad-track system, the Vermeer RTX 1250 offers enhanced stability and mobility on challenging terrains like mud, sand, and soft ground. This feature ensures smooth operations, even in the most demanding environments. But what truly sets this machine apart is its intelligent attachment system. When paired with various utility attachments, the tractor's intelligent system can effortlessly recognize and adapt to the specific task at hand. This smart technology streamlines operations, making it easier than ever for operators to switch between attachments with minimal effort. The Vermeer RTX 1250 Rockwheel is a game changer for industries that require a tractor capable of handling diverse utility tasks. Whether it's trenching, plowing, or any other utility application, this remarkable tractor delivers exceptional performance and efficiency. And there you have it, folks. These incredible machines are revolutionizing the construction world. Each device is vital in helping builders become more efficient, sustainable, and profitable. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment telling us which machine was your favorite. Until next time, happy digging!